हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल एमबीए पाठशाला। तो एमबीए पाठशाला ने आप लोगों की स्पीड बूस्ट करने के लिए, आपकी टेस्ट टेकिंग एबिलिटी को इंप्रूव करने के लिए एक फ्री डेली क्विज का इनिशिएटिव लिया है, जिसको आप लोग हमारे पोर्टल पर www.mbapathshala.com पर जाकर हमारा जो फ्री कोर्सेज का सेक्शन है, कैट 2026 फ्री प्रिपरेशन एक कोर्स है, उसमें एनरोल करके आप डेली बेसिस पर एक फ्री क्विज लगा सकते हो। ये क्विजेज आप लोगों के एग्जाम यानी कि कैट 2026 तक हम लोग प्रोवाइड कराने वाले हैं। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर इसका एनालिसिस मिलेगा, क्विज रहेगी हमारे पोर्टल पर।
Hi friends, welcome to MBA Pathshala's daily dose. So today we are going to do one of the questions of logical reasoning. I hope you people have already done this question. If not, take a pause and do this question first. So let us go for the solution for this question. Here we are given that 8 persons A to H, they are sitting around a circular table facing center, thus that the distance between any two adjacent persons is same, and each of them belongs to a different city among Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Pune, Hyderabad, Vijayawada, and Vishakhapatnam, but not necessarily in that order. Now, following information is known about their sitting arrangement. Then a paragraph is given. So, till now, just going through the first paragraph, it is understood that it is question of circular arrangement with distribution. We have to distribute their places to those persons and we have to make them sit around a circular table. So there are two aspects. So this is a question of you can say moderate difficulty. Now here, how should we approach? So we have to place side by side the arrangement, circular arrangement, and the distribution also. Okay, so the person from Pune sits third to left of the person who sits opposite the person from Hyderabad. So we will start with the first line itself. It is saying that the person from Pune sits third to left of the person who sits opposite the person from Hyderabad. Let us say the person from Hyderabad is sitting here. So the person sitting opposite of Hyderabad, he will be sitting here. And the person from Pune sits third to left of this person. So third left, 1, 2, 3. So this will be the person from Pune. Okay, so Hyderabad, Pune, they are side by side. The person from Pune is actually right of the person from Hyderabad. Neither B nor G is from either Pune or Hyderabad. Now this is talking about distribution. So make things easier. Let us put the distribution thing here. That is A, F and H. It is saying that neither B nor G is from either Pune or Hyderabad. B is not from Pune nor from Hyderabad. Is also not from Pune and not from Hyderabad. Now, the next line is E is from either Mumbai or Vijayawada and sits adjacent to neither A nor F. So, E is from either Mumbai, don't know, or Vijayawada, and E is sitting neither adjacent to A nor to F. So, for that, let us put it like this, that E is sitting neither adjacent to A nor adjacent to F. Then A is from either Chennai or Bengaluru and sits opposite F. A is from either Chennai or Bengaluru and sits opposite F, who is from neither Pune nor Hyderabad. So A and F, they are opposite each other, and F is neither from Pune nor Hyderabad. Neither from Pune nor Hyderabad. only two persons sit between G and the person from Delhi. So between G and Delhi, there are two persons. So if this is the person, then maybe two person, then person from Delhi. But he is towards left or right, that is not known. So it can also be the case that G is here and two person are sitting between them, and then this person is from Delhi. So anything can happen out of these. Then that means G himself is not from Delhi. That we are also gathering this information, that he himself is not from Delhi. Now D is from either Mumbai or Delhi. Either Mumbai or Delhi. And either C or H sits opposite the person from Vijayawada. So either C is sitting opposite the person from Vijayawada, or it is the case that H is sitting opposite the person from Vijayawada. Now the person from Mumbai sits to the immediate left of H, but he is not a neighbor of A. So person from Mumbai, he is sitting immediate left of H, but he is not to be neighbor of A. So let us take a pause. We have come up to this point. Okay, this we have not used it till now. The person from Mumbai sits to the immediate left of H. C and H, these two are till now open. Let us try to put their places first. Okay, C and H, they are not in this diagram in the circular arrangement, but here C and H are open. All the other places we can see A is either from Chennai or Bengaluru. D cannot be from Pune, Hyderabad. D is from either Mumbai or Delhi. E from either Mumbai or Vijayawada. F cannot be from Pune or Hyderabad. G cannot be from Pune, Hyderabad or Delhi. So that means C and H, they are the only left who can be from Pune or Hyderabad. So out of C and H, one is from Pune and one is from Hyderabad. So that will make things easier. Okay, so out of C and H, one is from Pune, one is from Hyderabad. Let us say H is from Pune. If we take H is from Pune, then this line is violated. The person from Mumbai sits to the immediate left of H. Now, if the person H is from Pune, immediate left is this place, which is from Hyderabad. But it is given that the person from Mumbai sits to the immediate left of H. That means H is here and this is occupied by C. So C himself is from Pune and H is from Hyderabad, so that the person from Mumbai sits to the immediate left of H. So this place is occupied by the person from Mumbai. Okay, but he is not a neighbor of A. So this place cannot be occupied by A. This place cannot be occupied by A. Now, the person from Bengaluru and Visakhapatnam sit adjacent to each other. That is the last line. So Bengaluru and Visakhapatnam, they are adjacent. So that is the whole information. Now let us start making cases. Okay, from where we can start? Here we can see that we have got information about E. E cannot be adjacent to A or F, and A and F, they are opposite each other. So if A and F, if they are opposite each other, okay, and from where we can put E, okay, E is either from Mumbai or from Vijayawada. E is either from Mumbai or Vijayawada. Let us take the case that E is from Mumbai. If E is from Mumbai, we will not be able to put A and F opposite each other because neither E nor F, they are adjacent to E. So if we put E here, then only place left for two person to opposite each other, this horizontal line, then either A or F will be adjacent to, but neither E nor F are adjacent to E. That means we cannot put E. So E is not from Mumbai. Now if E is not from Mumbai, that means E is from Vijayawada. So E is from Vijayawada. That means the person from Vijayawada is opposite either H or C. That means E is opposite either C or H. Let us take the case that E is opposite C. The person from Vijayawada, that is E, is opposite C. Let us take this case because Vijayawada person can be opposite either C or H. Let us take this case that E, we have deduced that E is from Vijayawada, he is opposite C. Now, is that satisfying all the other condition? What are the other conditions? That A and F, neither A nor F, they are adjacent to E. So, here, these places cannot be occupied by A or F. And A and F, they are opposite each other. That means these two places will be occupied by A and F. Now, if that is the case, then as we know, A is either from Chennai or Bengaluru. We cannot put A here. So that will be F and this will be A. Now, if that is the case, can we put the person from Bengaluru and Visakhapatnam adjacent to each other? Yes. A is either from Chennai or Bengaluru. You can put A as from Bengaluru and this person as from Visakhapatnam or this person as from Visakhapatnam. So they can be adjacent. But can we put 2% between G and the person from Delhi? Where can we put G? Here the places left are this one and this one. If we put G here, 2% between G and Delhi, 1, 2. This is not, this cannot go for Delhi because it is already Pune. If we put G here, 1, 2, this cannot go to Delhi because it is either Chennai or Bangalore. So we cannot put G. Can we put G here? If we put G here, 1, 2, this place is already occupied by the person from Mumbai. This cannot be Delhi. And if we put G here, 1, 2, this place is already occupied by the person from Pune. This cannot be Delhi. Can we put G here? If we put G here, 1, 2, this place is occupied by a person from Mumbai. And 1, 2, this place is occupied by a person from Vijayawada. So there is no place to put G. So this condition is not satisfied if we are putting E in front of C. That is a person from Vijayawada in front of C. So that is not the case. If that is not the case, only one case is left. And that is, if this is not the case, that means the person from Vijayawada, that is E, is opposite H. So E here is the person from Vijayawada and he is opposite H. Let us put the places in bracket. So E is opposite H. Now A and F, they are opposite each other and they are not adjacent to. That means A and F, they will go here. Now A cannot go here. That means F is here and A is here. Okay, so if that is the case, then these conditions are satisfied. Conditions, this is satisfied, this is satisfied, this is satisfied. Now we are left with only these. That is, the person from Delhi is 2 places away from the person, and the person from Bengaluru and Visakhapatnam, they are adjacent to each other. Okay, now here we can see that the person F is not from Mumbai. So, and E is from Vijayawada. Okay, so D can be either from Mumbai or E can be from Delhi. Okay, F, what about F? F can be, or let us try to put G first. Where can we put G? If we put G here, 1, 2, then this place cannot be the person from Delhi. It is either Chennai or Bengaluru. Okay, this place is occupied by either Chennai or Bengaluru. Okay, so if we put G here, 1, 2, this place is already occupied by person from Vijayawada. So we cannot put G. Okay, can we put G here? If we put G here, 1, 2, this place is occupied by person from Hyderabad. And if we put G here, this side 1, 2, this place is already occupied by person from Chennai or Bengaluru. So we cannot put G. So only place left is this one. So G is here. Now if G is here, 1, 2, this cannot be person from Delhi, but 1, 2. Now we are sure that this person can be from Delhi. So F is from Delhi. Okay. Now, if F is from Delhi, that means who is from Mumbai? That will be D, because D is either from Mumbai or Delhi. That means from Mumbai. So who is left? B. So this place will be occupied by. Now, the person from Bengaluru and Vishakhapatnam, they are adjacent to each other. So the two places left, that is, if we take this person as from Bengaluru, if he is from Bengaluru and if he is from Vishakhapatnam, they can be side by side, adjacent to each. So only place left, that is now which one? The only place left is now Chennai. Yes. So this person will be. So that is the arrangement that we are getting. Let us solve the question. Who among the following person is from Vishakhapatnam? We can see that G is from Vishakhapatnam. So answer will be option D. Then we have, from which among the following cities does H belong to? So you can see H belong to Hyderabad. So option B. And what is the position of A with respect to B? So A with respect to B. So A is 1, 2, third to the left of B. A is third to the left of B. Option B. And then we have fourth question. What is the position of B with respect to G? B with respect to G. So B is 1, 2, second to the right of G. So second to the right, option D. And then last question, we have 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way, hence form a group. Find the one which does not belong to that group. That is, this is odd man out question. Now B Hyderabad. So B Hyderabad, B and the person from Hyderabad. The person from Hyderabad is 1, 2, or to the right of B. Let us see what others are having. D Vishakhapatnam. So we can see that D and Vishakhapatnam, they are opposite each other. D and the person from Vishakhapatnam, they are opposite each other. A Delhi, option C. A and Delhi, you can see A and Delhi, these are also opposite each other. So we are having some pattern. G Mumbai. So G and Mumbai, these two persons are also opposite each other. So that means, except for the first option, that is B Hyderabad, or in all the options, the two persons are opposite each other. In option A, this is not the case. You can see that B Hyderabad, they are not opposite each other. So this is different from the group that these three are forming. So answer will be option A.